Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm sharing with you all a few different Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. The first one is a cute little banner made in a couple of different ways depending on what your taste and style are. And the second is a garden flag. Now, garden flags can be so expensive, and this year our front yard is going to be a gingerbread wonderland. So I wanted to come up with an affordable way to make my own. What you'll need for this project is a placemat from the Dollar Tree in any color and style you like. Now, if you don't want to cut your own image out of felt, just pick up one of these little ornament kits. They come in snowman, gingerbread, and a Christmas tree. I'm also going to use some trim that I have on hand. First, we need to create a little pocket. To do this, I folded one edge over and hot glued it down. Next, I used hot glue to attach my felt image. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can pull out some trim or ribbon or rickrack to add around the edge before gluing on the face. Now, the kits from the Dollar Tree actually come with all of these pieces. I decided to add a bow and some trim along the bottom that I got at 90% off last year from the Target Bullseye's Playground. For the tree version, all you have to do is create your rod pocket, hot gluing one end over, and hot glue your image. And now on to DIY number 2, our little Christmas banners. Now these can be made in any length that you choose with pretty much any image you want, from snowmen and snowflakes to Christmas trees and gingerbread. These are really cute, very simple to make, and cost next to nothing. Let me show you what you'll need for this project. To make these little banners, I picked up a couple of placemats from the Dollar Tree, and I pulled out some felt and scrap fabric that I already had on hand. You'll also need some sort of twine or ribbon just to connect your pieces. And again, you can get as fancy as you want, adding any kind of trim you have on hand. First off, fold your placemat in half and cut it into 2 pieces. Now take each half, folding that in half and cutting it again. Now you'll have 4 pieces that you can cut into triangles, pennants, any shape you like. Next, we need to attach them to twine or ribbon using a little hot glue. To make my gingerbread, I used an old cereal box and a cookie cutter. I cut my images out of felt and attached them with hot glue. Now for my Christmas tree, I folded a piece of felt in half and free-handed a little tree before attaching them with hot glue. I really like how these turned out. Now you could make these as long as you wanted. I have someplace specific in mind that I just wanted a little something for. So I will have the gingerbread up all through December, switching it out for the black and trees come January. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I took some placemats from the Dollar Tree and made them into some fun and simple pieces of Christmas decor. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back very soon with some more DIYs.